What's up, guys? Thanks for coming by the channel. Go ahead and comment, tell me what your ideas are. And the question is creatine okay when you're cutting? Now, the myth is that creatine is going to really bloat up the muscle. It's going to increase water retention within the skin, in between the skin and the muscle. A lot of people think, okay, don't take creatine, come off your creatine because you're trying to cut down, get that real lean look so you can see all the definition of every muscle that you've been working so hard to build. And the real answer, guys, is creatine is something that's going to be very important for you when you're cutting. When you're cutting out the carbs and cutting down body fat percentage, your strength levels go down. So most creatines you're going to want to keep up. You want to keep up with the creatine level so your strength you can maintain that strength while cutting. Otherwise, you're going to have to work all the way from the bottom where you first started. So the creatine is something, it's a myth to where you want to cut out creatine while cutting. You want to keep that creatine in the diet, in the supplement regimen while cutting, because it's not going to bloat up the muscle. Let me knock that myth right down. Basically, it's volumize the cells within the muscle. The actual cells are going to be filled up with water, and it's called hydration. You know, not a lot of people understand that concept, but hydration, carbs and creatine together are going to give you that nice full look in the muscle. So I hope that helps, guys. Tell me what you think. Creatine while cutting. Peace.